And we're back with more fashion from And Just Like That. This season, of course, welcomed a newcomer to the series, Nicole Ari playing Lisa Todd Wexley. Is this a feeble attempt to replace Samantha?
This woman, I don't know a thing about her, I just seen the photo, but she oozes power. There's something majestic about her carriage, and I can't wait to get to know her.
You know, the series ended more than 11 years ago now, and I wonder, you know, in this day and age, who wears the pants?
All of them wear the pants. They're at a new place in their lives. Miranda will always be the boss attorney woman. Carrie will always be a successful writer, author, maybe now podcaster.
They have done, as we've mentioned, a better job styling Miranda than they have any of the other gals. And she looks great, by the way. Governor Nixon. Well done.
The Queen of Ruffles is back with a Givenchy vintage blouse.
Givenchy by John Galliano, who designed for the brand in the 90s when he was just starting to emerge. It's one of the most famous tenures of any fashion house. I'm so glad that they brought it to the show. It was 1996, like you said, 2 years before the series first aired. So to see Charlotte embrace more of that like high fashion history side to her wardrobe in this new series, I love that they did that.
Well,
Let's take one last look at our leading ladies. Does that belt look familiar to you?
Yes, good eye, Emilyn. It's the spike belt that Carrie wore in the Sex and the City movie.
I like this look for Carrie better than I like any of the other looks that we've seen. I love the fuchsia, the way that it pops. And if this is an example of what we're going to see in the series, this photo, then like bring me all the fashion. I prefer this to any of it.
Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. Bottoms up, everybody.